Welcome back to TechMan. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of importing and using MOGRT files or motion graphics templates in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and launch your project. Access the Essential Graphics panel. To do that, go to the Window menu, select Essential Graphics to open the panel. Make sure to import your MOGRT files on your Premiere Pro. In my case, I have my MOGRT files already imported. Now click on the Browse under Essential Graphics tab. Over here, choose your desired template. Let's say we want to use this one. Now drag and drop the template to your clip. You can adjust its length or where you want to appear your MOGRT. Click on the MOGRT clip in the timeline. In the Essential Graphics panel, with the clip selected, you will see editable parameters like text, colors, and animations. Let's say we want to edit the text to have an appealing title. Click on the text over here and edit your title inside your clip. Below the panel, you can choose the alignment or the styles and fonts. You can also edit the opacity of your text or its shape. Once you're satisfied with your MOGRT, you can now save and import your file. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.